Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got two new items today to unbox. I got my dream kitchen appliance called SMEG. I've been like kind of lurking around the brand, like seeing the videos and also looking at the website for more than a year now. And recently Zalora had the color that I want, which was white, and they also had a 25% discount, so I just quickly grabbed it while my color, the color that I want, was still available. So yeah, just gonna do an unboxing and also like to show you what features that they have. So this is the warranty card. I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm going to show you the box first. So this is like the SMEG box, and this is the color that I got, which was white. At first I thought it was like blue, but thank God it wasn't. So this is the blender, and as you can see, the box here is a little bit crumpled, but I don't think there's like anything wrong with the insides. So this is like the description that it has. I just really love the design of this. Initially I wanted the Muji blender, but they didn't like sell it here, so this is like another option. And this one, oh, I just love the design of this, even though it's like overpriced. And I also have like an electric kettle still, but I couldn't resist. So yeah, it has like these features. The design is like, oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, let's just open this one first. First you get the manual, and then there's this inside. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So pretty. And this is like a little bit I don't know how to say, a bit cheap, this material. Oh my goodness, so pretty. There's like a little filter that you can separately wash, which I like. Oh my gosh. What's inside? It's a bit heavy. So I also have the manual, and that's it. This one feels like very thick plastic, not glass. Okay. And this tiny thing is for up here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, so pretty. So this is the blender, and surprisingly the tiny thing is actually a measuring cup. So wow, I didn't know that. Number 2, lid with pouring hole. Okay. BPA free jug. Detachable blade assembly. I love detachable blades. My previous blender wasn't detachable. 7 control knob. 8 start stop button. Okay, so it has like all the features listed on the, this is the manual. So this one is the pulse, like when you want to pulse something for 1 or 2 seconds. And it has like a smoothie function. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the maximum. And oh, here is the, like if you want to blend frozen stuff. And they also have like start stop button. So one thing that I learned from the manual is that you can use this like under here. There you go. Oops. That's quite easy. So this is what it looks like turned on. It's red. Nope. I see. Oops. Alamak. Just, so annoying. Wow, what this? Oh. Okay, I think it's a really good blender. I really like it. Can't wait to make other stuff. So this is what this one looks like. Wow. Okay, gonna test this out. So I filled it to like the max already. That's the max. Yeah, it's just like any other electric kettle. It's really hot. Alright, hope you guys enjoy my little SMEG unboxing. Do click a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.